let's look at the use case diagram for the lift control system. Okay, based on which this use case specification has been written. Okay, so let's add a view. Let's call it as use case view. Under that, let's add a diagram, a use case diagram. And now we have the toolbox with respect to the use case diagram. Okay, now we know one of the actor is lift user, and his goal is represented as a use case. So his goal is going to be reach destination floor. And since it is his goal, let's associate them. Okay. Now, what are the other actors? The other actor is lift administrator. And what are his goals going to be? His goal is going to be start up the lift system. It's going to be to shut down and to configure the lift, configure the lift system. Okay, so again we associate the actor and the use case. Okay, now since we have written the use case specification for this, let's focus on this, and this I will leave it up to you for the moment. Now, again, if we go back to the use case specification, you will notice that there are a lot of other actors also involved apart from the lift user. So we have the door sensor, we have the lift itself. What else? Load sensor, what else? Floor sensor, load sensor, door open timer. Door open timer. What else? Load sensor, floor sensor. Okay. I think we have not put floor sensor. What is this door sensor? Door sensor we have not written here. So here also we have to. Now, door sensor is the door motion, when people are moving in between while the door is closing. So we have the door sensor here. Okay. So we have identified this should be an actor. Floor sensor. Okay. So we have these. So let's associate them. Associate, 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 and associate. Now let's move them around, make it more readable. So let's move this here, let's move this here, let's move this here. Now here, if you notice, there are certain actors which are put on the right hand side and some actors which are on the left hand side. So the actors on the left hand side are called the primary actors because the goal of our system is to satisfy these actors. And these actors are called secondary actors because they help the system in satisfying the primary actor. So these are called the secondary actors. Now, apart from that, we can also define a boundary of the system. We can name this as lift control system and resize it to include all the use cases. Okay. So this defines the boundary of the system. or the scope of the system. Now, we have already written the use case specification for this. So what we can do is go to files, and here we can specify the path of that document file. And here we will add this. Save. Oh, so we don't have to hunt for it. We can directly come here and go to properties, go to files, and select this and say launch. Okay, you got the idea. So that is the use case diagram. That's it. Bye.